Hi there my friends, this is Benjamin here from sayby9to5.com and welcome back again. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a comprehensive review of this new software launch called Aura. Now, in a nutshell, Aura is a software which allows you to create videos in a matter of seconds with their ready-made templates and allowing you to channel traffic from 500 different traffic sources. So if this is something of interest to you, do stay on until the end of this video as I'll be showing you the members area of Aura and at the same time showcase some of the awesome bonuses I prepared for you guys should you actually decide to purchase Aura via the first link in the description box below this video. Now without further ado, let's take a look into my bonuses. Alright, so this is my page. Okay, now my custom bonus number one is this thing called the Affiliate Marketing 360. It's a set of 20 training videos that cover everything pertaining to affiliate marketing, such as the common affiliate marketplaces, what are the differences, pros and cons of affiliate marketing, entire affiliate marketing main framework, importance of email marketing, free traffic sources, paid traffic sources, etc. Now my custom bonus number two is this thing called the Get Response A to Z. It's a set of 8 training videos that I share with you my personal preferred autoresponder, which is Get Response, and I'll show you from A to Z how to actually use this autoresponder to maximize your email marketing campaigns. Now my custom bonus number 3 will be a one-on-one 60-minute Zoom call with myself, whereby I'll share with you my personal strategies in terms of affiliate marketing on how do I actually generate hundreds of commissions on a daily basis. Now there are some special vendor bonuses as well. So the free bonus number 1 is $0 to $1,000 a day in 30 days. Alright, whereby you're invited to the private live online event, whereby the vendors will share with you how do they actually make $1,000 to $25,000 on a daily basis, which is worth $1,997 over here. Alright. So these are all the free vendor bonuses. Okay. Now let's take a look into the members area of Aura. Okay. Right, so if you actually purchase Aura and reach the main dashboard, this is how it look like. Now if I click on the training tab over here, alright, within the software itself, it shows you a lot of different training videos on how do you actually maneuver around the entire Aura software. Takes a little bit of time to load. Alright, so you can see over here under sections, you have the case study, how do you import the account, connectivity settings, searching for the deals, video creator, social blast, multimedia, call to action post, carousel video post, subscriber manager, so on and so forth. Every single function or tab within the menu bar of Aura, everything is being shared over here in the training section. Alright, so it's a pretty comprehensive training videos to share with you how do you actually maximize the usage of this software. Now next you have this thing called the video creator over here, right, whereby we can create new. So you see all these different templates, like you have Facebook video feed, Facebook story, in-stream video, Facebook Insta articles, Instagram story, Instagram video feed, YouTube videos, Snapchat story, Pinterest video pins, TikTok video, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, so on and so forth. Alright, so medium, rectangle and large rectangle, these are more mainly for your blog articles videos. Okay, so let's say for example we use YouTube video as an example. So you actually see on the left menu you have all the premium templates that you can use over here. Of course, it allows you to customize by using some of the tabs. Alright, so let's go back into the main menu. Now you also have Social Blast. So these are all the different social media platforms that you can actually blast your videos to. Alright, pretty comprehensive. Social poster. So this is the Facebook poster. So of course you have to import your Facebook accounts and allows you to actually post on in terms of multimedia posts, call to action posts, or carousel video posts. Alright, subscriber manager. Okay, so this is actually in terms of SMS campaigns. Yes, we are still using email marketing, but SMS campaigns is actually the next in thing that is coming up soon. Alright, or in fact a lot of top affiliate marketers are already using SMS campaigns, alright, in order to maximize their sales, maximize their returns. Now of course you have the messenger bots over here, right? So you can actually customize your comments, auto comment template managers, reply, so auto reply, stuff like that. These are all the messages bots. You also have email marketing, whereby you can set up your API settings, email campaigns, the different email templates that you can use. Now again, SMS marketing. All right, these are all the ones. Now, if you have an e-commerce store, you can also integrate e-commerce store within Aura to drive traffic. Then you have the traffic marketing analysis, whereby you can analyze your visitors, website, rank and index analysis, social network analysis, domain analysis, link analysis, keywords analysis, IP analysis. All right. Then you have the backlink and ping analysis, backlink generators, Google backlink search, website ping. So as you can see, the entire Aura is actually pretty comprehensive, honestly. You even have utility tools, all right, email decoder, plagiarism check, URL check, base64 encoder or decoder. All right, a lot of functions within Aura itself, and you also have this thing called a website comparison, whereby you can actually do certain reports in terms of comparing your own website with other more higher domain authority websites, okay, to see how you can improve on your websites per se. And you have URL shorteners, bit.ly shorteners, Reblendly shorteners. So in a nutshell, it's actually like a lot of softwares combined into one within this Aura for just one single low-end price. So let's take a look into what exactly is the price points of Aura at this point in time. All right, so Aura for the front end is retailing at just barely $22, and it's the world's first 500-in-1 traffic app and drives unlimited free buyer traffic that I shared with you guys just now in terms of the social blast. All right, so your upside number one, Aura Unlimited Edition at $39. So it has multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic. Upside number two, Done For You Edition at $197, whereby the team will aim to deliver done for you traffic and sales. Automated Edition at $39 is for upside number three, whereby you will be able to activate all the automation tools within Aura itself. Upside number four, Aura 200 Done For You campaigns at $39, whereby you will get 200 proven campaigns, templates, swipes, and more that you can copy and paste to make affiliate sales using Aura. Now, next for upside number five, this thing called Aura Seller Machine, $17, whereby you experience a very individual custom funnel setup experience. Okay, so not just the entire funnel, they also include autoresponder integration, switch page setup, follow-up emails addition, and additional traffic tutorials. All right, so there's a disclaimer over here. Please take note that all the upsells are optional, and purchase them only if you feel that you need their enhancements. And to actually save costs, you may purchase the relevant upsells that you need with their downsell prices, and usually about 90% of the time they will have their respective downsell price. How do you actually get to the downsell page? Very simple, you just have to opt out of the upsell page, and usually the subsequent page will be the downsell price itself. Okay, so if you click on any of this red orange color button over here, you will reach the main sales page of Aura, and Aura has already gone live on 8th of May. Okay, so you can actually purchase Aura at this point in time if you feel that this is the particular software that you will need to actually generate more free buyers traffic for you. All right, guys, so the last thing that I want to show you guys is actually my mega bonuses over here. Okay, these are all my mega bonuses bundle. If you click on the image over here, it will bring you to the mega bonus preview page, whereby you will see all the 2021 mobile responsive and popular WordPress themes that you can download from, and they are free, and all the popular WordPress plugins as well, and certain ebooks, softwares that you can use for your make money online journey. All right, then if you click over here, 68 more crazy bonuses. Now, these 68 bonuses alone is worth about $6,899. So like what the instructions over here says, simply purchase any products that I review on my YouTube channel or the review blogs to access all these bonuses. So I've given you the links for my YouTube channel here as well as my website blog. All right, so these are all the 68 different bonuses. They comes in the form of training courses, ebooks, softwares, royalty-free videos, so on and so forth, and as well as royalty-free music tracks, soundtracks that you can use. All right, so these are all my mega bonuses. Now, if you actually go over to the menu bar, I also have instructions on how can you actually claim your bonuses, or you can actually take a look at the preview of my mega bonus bundle over here at this particular tab. All right, guys, so this actually concludes my review when it comes to Aura, and I hope whatever I share with you actually helps you with your buying decision of this particular software. All right, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you.